2018 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8 Beast. Really beautiful truck, lifted 3 inches, I guess. Nice big wheels, tires. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys. Got factory converters there and there. Then it had the regular 3-inch cat that we cut off, the third cat, and put a high flow in its place right there. It's got the original flex pipe, 3-inch pipe. Then we put a vibrant bottle style muffler right there, and 2.5-inch tailpipe to get it a little bit deeper for them, into a 5-inch rolled black tip right there. You guys can see, came out really nice, really pretty. There it is. We put on a whole new tailpipe. We cut the muffler and the resonator and the tailpipe off, and we just threw them a new tailpipe on it. It looks better. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's party. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's so deep. That vibrant never disappoints, man. They sound just such a deep tone it gives. Oh, that sounds so good. Again. Sound decibels, again. Right at 100. Yeah, it went up to even a 101. That black tip looks really good on it too.
I'm glad I didn't go loud.
Yeah. See, those videos help. That sounds so good on these. Wow. Especially with that third cat replacement, made a big difference. Let you guys hear on the inside. Silverado 5.3 liter Beast. It's a nice truck. I like it. I like the bumper guard too. It's pretty cool. Tiger.